Tokyo, for a sound designer, is an inexhaustible source of inspiration, stimulating but also of wonder. I recorded all the jingles of all subway lines and the JR to merge them into a single melody. Here you will rediscover the charm of onomatopoeia, and onomatopoeia is nothing more than a word transcribed into sound. That's why the city is my favorite one, because everything is already music.
So now we have to check every box to find this scene.
You can walk with your eyes closed. You can feel the rhythm flowing of Tokyo's life only through the ears. A frequency of 6 kHz generated by the chirping of cicadas reminds me that I'm alive and so small compared to the whole world of sounds around me, where everything produces sound and the only limit is our mind. The fish market, the art of Tokyo, where even the ice has its own voice. Where minimum displacement of a knife emit more dynamic range than the hammers of a piano.
It's okay. If you want to hear, it's okay. Please. It was very dangerous, eh? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Pachinko, one of the noisiest areas. The lack of knowledge of how this game works led me to invent unusual musical instruments. The Drum Museum, unique in its kind, where to find and play the traditional Japanese drum, the taiko. I recorded each drum to create the impetuous rhythm of the soundtrack of Tokyo. The Japanese kabuki theater is among the most famous around the world. Here it was possible to hear and to play some sound effects.
So the weather today is very, very bad.
No matter how rich the sound of this place is, Tokyo also made me know the silence. The same silence that has the power to change the meaning of a sentence in a Japanese common language. That silence that sometimes is stronger than many sounds. If Tokyo were a musical instrument, it will be a tympanum. You can decide how to play, strongly or gently. It depends of your touch.